Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some quick and easy recipes that are perfect for busy people. We all have those days where we don't have a lot of time to cook, but that doesn't mean we have to sacrifice flavor or nutrition. These recipes are simple, delicious, and can be made in 30 minutes or less. So whether you're a student, a working professional, or a busy parent, these recipes will help you get a healthy meal on the table in no time. Let's get started. Here are 10 easy and quick dishes with their recipes. Number 1. Fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked rice, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 small onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 small carrot diced, ½ cup frozen peas, 2 eggs beaten, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Instructions: heat oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add onion and garlic and saute for 2-3 minutes until translucent. Add carrot and peas and saute for another 2-3 minutes. Push vegetables to the side of the pan and add beaten eggs. Scramble until cooked through. Add cooked rice and soy sauce and stir until combined. Number 2. Grilled cheese sandwich. Ingredients: 2 slices of bread, 2 slices of cheese, 1 tablespoon butter. Instructions: preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Butter one side of each slice of bread. Place 1 slice of bread, buttered side down, in the pan. Top with cheese slices and then the other slice of bread, buttered side up. Cook for 2-3 minutes on each side until cheese is melted and bread is golden brown. Number 3. Quesadilla. Ingredients: 2 flour tortillas, ½ cup shredded cheese, a 1/4 cup canned black beans drained, a 1/4 cup salsa, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Instructions: heat oil in a large pan over medium heat. Place 1 tortilla in the pan. Top with shredded cheese, black beans, and salsa. Cover with the other tortilla. Cook for 2-3 minutes on each side until cheese is melted and tortillas are golden brown. Number 4. Pasta with tomato sauce. Ingredients: 8 ounces pasta, 1 can diced tomatoes, 2 cloves garlic minced, a 1/4 cup olive oil, a 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook pasta according to package instructions. Heat olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add garlic and saute for 1-2 minutes until fragrant. Add diced tomatoes and bring to a simmer. Cook for 10-15 minutes until sauce thickens. Add chopped basil and season with salt and pepper. Serve sauce over cooked pasta. Number 5. Tuna salad. Ingredients: 1 can tuna drained, a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup chopped celery, a 1/4 cup chopped onion, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: combine tuna, mayonnaise, celery, onion, and lemon juice in a bowl. Mix well and season with salt and pepper to taste. Number 6. Vegetable stir fry. Ingredients: 2 cups mixed vegetables, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Instructions: heat oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add garlic and saute for 1-2 minutes until fragrant. Add mixed vegetables and saute for 3-4 minutes until tender. Add soy sauce and stir to combine. Number 7. Omelette. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon milk, salt and pepper to taste. Number 8. Tomato and mozzarella salad. Ingredients: 2 medium tomatoes sliced, 4 ounces fresh mozzarella cheese sliced, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh basil leaves, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: arrange tomato and mozzarella slices on a plate. Drizzle with balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Sprinkle with chopped basil leaves and season with salt and pepper. Number 9. Black bean and corn salad. Ingredients: 1 can black beans drained, 1 cup frozen corn thawed, ½ cup chopped red onion, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoon lime juice, 2 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: combine black beans, corn, red onion, and cilantro in a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together lime juice and olive oil. Pour dressing over salad and toss to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Number 10. Pan-seared salmon. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Instructions: pat salmon fillets dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat oil in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Place salmon fillets in the pan, skin side down. Cook for 3-4 minutes until skin is crispy and browned. Flip salmon fillets and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes until cooked through. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you found these recipes helpful and that they inspire you to get creative in the kitchen, even on your busiest days. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy recipes, as well as other food and lifestyle content. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next